On this week's Quick Look, we're going to visit Sedona's Devil's Bridge. During a rare winter snowfall, and in a place which has more than 300 days of sun a year, you can almost count it as a blessing being here one of the 4 days that they do receive snow. Sedona has long been regarded by the indigenous people of this region as a holy place. And whether sun or snow, you can feel the same mysticism inside you that they too may have felt way back when. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, as it is what allows us to be compensated by YouTube as creators. Your help is greatly appreciated, and comments are always welcome.